Hello guys, good afternoon. Nandito na kami ngayon sa New Jersey. Kakarating lang talaga namin dito sa aming customer. We are delivering our load from California. Then mag-live deliver kami. Tapos pagkatapos namin dito, i-drop namin tong truck namin sa yard. Mag-stay kami ng hotel for 2 nights. Tonight and for tomorrow night. So, yung company yung magbabayad. So, guys, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon already. Wala pa akong lunch. So, magluto ako ng itlog lang yung lulutuin ko. Piniritong itlog. Sunny side up. So, luto tayo, guys. So guys, ito na yung ano ko, pagkain. Yan na yung eggs na niluto ko. Tapos ketchup, kain.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just mine.
So guys, tapos na akong kumain. And now, kailangan ko lang mag-print ng mga receipt namin para i-return namin sa company. So, yan na yung laptop and printer. Ready na siya. Let's go. Mag-print na tayo.
Your message received when you said you couldn't take us too seriously. I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you.
I-print ko guys yung bike pass, yung sa tool namin.
We can still have fun for now.
So, ayan na.
So when you stop paying so much.
Tapos na ako sa bike pass. Next is the 2
Don't
roads.
worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Tapos na akong print ng mga receipts. Now, gagawin ko naman ay mag-linis ng scrap. Ano lang, swipe. Tapos kung paano ako maglinis ng mabilisan.
'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
So guys, nandito na kami pala sa hotel kanina pa and nag-order lang kami ng dinner, seafood for dinner. So, kasi wala kami nadala ng pagkain sa truck na iwan namin. So, yeah, seafood's nice. Order namin guys. Nag-order ng dessert, key lime pie, and oh my god, it's leaking. I have rice. I bought new rice. I'm gonna sit down here. Oh, may pa-bake, ano, senora. What it says?
Bib.
No, cracking. Let's get cracking. Thank you. It's first, nagdala ako ng rice. May tatao ko dyan. Rice.
He has 4 tours. He has 2 silver
stars,
Nadakot.
5 Bronx stars. It's an amazing resume. What makes Kyle's war story so different from others is that it's not just based on his frontline experiences. It also deals with how he overcomes
We don't have
the
paper
storms
towels.
when he comes home.
You want to bring that?
Show this valiant, dedicated
You want to bring paper towel?
warrior on the field of battle. When he comes
it.
home, he's dealing with family issues, so it's showing another battle, a deeper battle, and another
This is all crab legs only.
Look at it. Well, at least some sausage.
Argue the popular image of Chris Kyle, as seen in the movie, is not a true portrait. It's been sanitized beyond all recognition.
I mean, the movie erases all of Kyle's.
Let's put all that.
It definitely turns him into a hero by whitewashing the things that audiences might feel uncomfortable with. They didn't want to hear anybody question that Chris Kyle wasn't the perfect soldier, or really the perfect American.
Some critics claim that the real Chris Kyle was a